Hi friends, welcome to Akapur Chakkupan YouTube channel. I am here with Agricultural Insurance Corporation's latest notification on management trainees. For this examination, you have to apply between 23rd November to 13th December. You have your online examination on January. Total number of vacancies are 30. Here you can see the category wise breakup for the vacancies. Some of the terms and conditions are given that if you are selected as management trainee, you have to undergo training period for the 2 years. Successful completion of training period, you will be promoted as administrative officer scale 1. Selected candidate may be posted to the any place in India, that is, this is the all India service. Another important one is that selected candidates have to sign a guarantee bond with the AIC, that is, you have to work for minimum 4 years. If you want to resign before these 4 years, you have to pay compensation for the AIC. Here is the salary details. For first year you can get 40,000, for the second year 42,500. After your promotion you will be observed in the regular pay of AIC. This is the cutoff date for your qualification. Before November 1st your result should be declared, so that only you will be eligible for appearing this examination. Regarding the educational qualification, BSc Agri, BSc RT, BE or BTech agriculture candidates are eligible to apply for this examination. Minimum age is 21 years and maximum age is 30 years, and also you can get the relaxation based on your category also. Here is the main part, that scheme of the examination, that is the online examination comprising objective and descriptive type. Total 150 marks and you have 2.5 hours. Exam will be held in January 2022. Here is the tentative scheme, that is reasoning 25 questions, English language 20 questions, general awareness 20 questions, quantitative and computer literacy 25 marks, professional knowledge 35 marks, and descriptive English. Candidate should note that you have negative marking, that is, for every wrong answer you will be deducted 1/4 of that question in the total mark. And for appearing interview you will be entitled for interview allowance. Here is the list of centers state-wise. Other procedures are as like IBBS, that you should have recent photograph, your signature, your thumb impression, like that. Here is the application charges for the different categories. For SC ST 200, for other categories 1000 rupees. These are the important things to note in this notification. If you like this video, share with your friends, and also stay tuned with Akapur Chakkupan. I will be giving the more videos related to examination and also related to agriculture. Thank you.